She kicked the box.
Whoa, Haley. I have to kick it all the way home.
Yeah, let's do that.
Stupid. No.
I'm recording this.
Why? He's gonna rape you.
There's no kitty in the box, unfortunately.
Oh no, here, car.
Here, you can kick it. Probably like, what the hell are they doing? He looked back and like, what the heck? She stepped in the box. Kick it really hard.
Oh, it's kind of breaking apart, really.
It's still kickable. Fresh tomatoes.
Really? It's got glass swans on it. Airborne!
Kick it airborne again.
Coming for you!
Kick it airborne.
Oh, come on.
Mikey's all like, okay. I love how this thing rolls.
That vibrates.
Kick it freaking airborne.
Okay. This is how we need it. You always bring it like back over where I am. That's so weird.
Oh, look at the box.
There you go.
We're probably going to kick this all the way home, aren't we?
Yep.
Wrong side of the road. You are right. It does always go back to you. I'm going to post this on Facebook.
Okay. Oh.
I love how I've been friends with you and I only met you at the Legends Fair.
Well, you didn't really meet me. You only said hi.
I know, because I had no clue who you were.
Exactly. Come on. There you go. Good boss. Where's Kate? Oh no. No. Whoa. Oh God. Haley, I don't think we're going to be able to kick it through.
No, kick it airborne now.
No. It's kind of hard, you know.
No, it's not.
Go boss. Oh, Haley. I'm carrying this box home. Let's go.
We need to...
The people who own it are going to be like, where the heck happened to our box?
And then they'll see it on YouTube. Oh.
I thought you were putting it on Facebook.
I'm putting it on both YouTube and Facebook.
Put it on your head. Oh no.
Okay.
What? That's that.
Put the box on your head.
No.
Put it on your head.
No thanks.
She's a head box. Woot. See, it says fresh tomatoes.
Oh my God,
Glass
can you
Swan.